Hey guys, it's Davin here at Brewbitz. Now, I've had a bit of a long day, so I thought when I got home I'd have a bottle of wine. So I rummaged around in my little wine store and I came up with this beauty. I thought I'd ran out of all my slow wines, so I thought I would pop a bottle open tonight, since I found it, and have a nice drink. Now, quite a lot of people ask me about my slow wine recipe because it does involve a moulding process, and some people seem to think it's a bit ew, especially when you actually see the mould growing. Check out my recipe on how to do a slow wine and you'll see what I'm talking about. But initial smells good. Should we have a pour? Ooh, it's got a nice thickness to it, I'll give you that. Get in there, James, and have a look at that colour. Isn't that gorgeous? I suppose we better try it. It's been in the bottle for over 3 years. Is it going to be good? So, first thing, cork smelt good. Ooh. Okay, so you're getting, on with this, fantastic aromas of berries, of like dark fruits, almost like plum. There's a spiciness, there's a good alcohol smell to this. Yeah, a spiciness, almost like a fruit cake, a rich fruit cake that's had perhaps some sherry poured over it. Oh wow, that's good. Oh wow. Oh, I'm happy. Yeah, this one's turned out absolutely gorgeous. I'm glad I found this in the back. This is going to sort me out for tonight. This is, it's got a real zing to the sides of the tongue as you take it down. That's the alcohol. It's got a real salivating ness to it. It really wants to make you go back for another mouthful. You get all those spices in the nose, which has come from the moulding process. Okay, it's a little bit sweet, but wow, all that flavour suddenly just explodes. I would highly recommend, if you haven't had a go at my slow wine recipe yet, go for it. If you've made slow wine, let me know how yours has turned out. Oh my goodness. This is almost like kind of like a sherry or a port or something like that. It's bloody gorgeous. Oh, I'm happy.